I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream without cream. First, gather your ingredients. We'll focus on creating a rich, smooth texture using plant-based alternatives. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve a delightful frozen treat. This method is perfect for those seeking dairy-free options or a lighter dessert. We'll cover everything from ingredient selection to freezing techniques. To achieve that desirable creamy texture, full-fat coconut milk is a star. It offers a rich mouthfeel similar to dairy cream. Ripe bananas are another excellent choice, providing natural sweetness and a thick base. For an extra velvety touch, consider adding a small amount of ripe avocado. These ingredients work together to create a luxurious, dairy-free dessert. The preparation is quite straightforward. First, combine all your chosen ingredients in a blender and process until the mixture is perfectly smooth. Next, pour this mixture into your ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Finally, transfer it to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours to firm up. Now for the fun part, customizing your flavors. For a classic, rich chocolate, simply blend in 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you prefer something fruity, add 1 cup of fresh berries or a fruit puree. A teaspoon of vanilla extract always enhances the overall taste. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect, cream-free ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.